Okay, hello. And there I solve with Leetcode 121, best time to buy a stock. Into we say you know a list of stock prices, right? A list of stock prices. And I say time ben I will turn out on one. Ubenya the most profits. Basically amount if you are 7, right? 1, 5, 3, 6, and a 4, right? Inti sɛ wokɔtɔ no ma ɛma sɛ Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, right? So wotɔ no and then asɛ wotɔn no wotɔ no and then asɛ wotɔn a ɛmfa no sɛ 7, right? 7 4 no wotɔ no 7 a wotɔn no and then wotɔ no a wotɔn no and then profit is 0, right? So wotɔ no 7 na wokɔtɔn no 1 a wabɔ ka -6, right? Wotɔn no 5 a wabɔ ka 2. Wotɔn no 3 a wabɔ ka 4. Alright, wotɔn no 6 a wabɔ ka 1. Wotɔn no 4 a wabɔ ka 3. Right? Now we 4 no so yɛmfa no sɛ ɛna wontumi mba w'akyi, right? Nti yɛmfa no sɛ wotɔn no 1 a wotɔn no 1 na wotɔn no that day na 0, right? Wotɔn no 5 a wanya mfasoɔ 4. Wotɔn no 3 a wanya mfasoɔ 2. Wotɔn no 6 a wanya mfasoɔ 5. Wotɔn no 4 a wanya mfasoɔ 3. Now wotɔn no 5 a wotɔn no 5 a, right? Wotɔn no 5 na wotɔn no sada na 0 wanya hwee. Wotɔn no 3 a wabɔ ka 2. Wotɔn no 6 a wabɔ ka 1. Wanya mfasoɔ 1 plus 1, right? And wotɔn no 4 a wabɔ ka 1. Na wokɔtɔ no 3 na wotɔn no saa day na 0. Wotɔn no 6 a wanya mfasoɔ 3. Wotɔn no 4 a wanya mfasoɔ baako pɛ, right? 1 here. 6 na wotɔn no saa day na 6 na 0, but wotɔn no 4 a wabɔ ka -2. You know, say ya na ɛkɔ. Nti but wohwɛ de way ɛkɔ na sɛ wotɔn no 1 na sɛ wotɔn no 6 a ɛna wobɛnya mfasoɔ ɛwɔ mu paa ɛwɔ ase. 5, right? Nti ɛhɔ ɔmpɛ sɛ ɔhu sɛ da bɛn na yɛtɔn a yɛbɛnya the maximum profit na yɛtɔn nti yɛn return yɛmfa the maximum profit na yɛbɛnya no yɛmfa mbra yɛnkyerɛ wɔ ase. So if you can see 7 1 5 3 2 4 no ase no output no 5. And I'm makyerɛ wɔ ase if you buy on day 2, which is this is day 2, and sell on day 5, which is day 5, your maximum profit will be 5, which is this one here, right? And how are we going to represent that in code, right? There's so many options, right? Wait one for 7, no I check no I record the maximum profit, no for 1, no I check, no I record the maximum profit, no for 5, no I check, no I record the maximum profit. So into we are the Albanian the maximum I've ever recorded, no baby, no when you the maximum, right? Now into our return into young control code near should be into first of all no the best set your minimum profits. Alright, and go back. first of all, you set a minimum price. You set a default minimum price, right? Minimum price is equal to float. And then CCR, you're setting default profit of 0. Right? Like I said earlier, I will loop it through prices now. For price in prices, right? The minimum price is going to be the minimum of current price here we are, and the default price now you're setting, which is main price. Now you're setting main price to infinity, right? You're setting it to infinity because positive infinity, there's no number here that can be greater than positive infinity. In the minimum now, it's very easy. You compare number here to it, your first minimum price now will be the first price here. Engineer settings are. And you see how you want your minimum price now. You bet minimum price now, every current price now, you will need profit for that particular instance now. Gain for that particular time now will be price minus minimum price and my gains now. By a percent, by a recorded gain way at this particular point in time. By a percent, the profits, the maximum profit now. Into you compare gain we at this particular point to the profit. The profit will now be equal to max of these two. You will compare to my profits and gains. Into at any point in time we are having a maximum profit now, even though you move along the loop now. You will just pass through, you will pass it through the array just one time, right? Until we are now returning profits. It will just a one pass. Instead of saying KB and KB loop it through several times now. Just a one pass. And then this will give you an O of n solution, right? And I think an O of 1. Space complexity, because we are not using any new spaces here for this solution. So yeah, this is how you solve best time to buy stock. Bye bye.